It's one trait, bro, that if you master, you have to master in order to be successful, magnetic with women, bro. If you have taken the red pill, you have to master this trait in order to not inhibit yourself. Not even just with women, with life in general, you have to master this trait, bro. It is so important that you understand what this trait is and why you have to master it. But before I proceed forward with what that is, make sure you smash that like button. Anyway, that said, I'm going to drop a scenario for you. In scenario 1, you with a woman. She strapped. She everything you need, bro. She a 10 to you. You super attracted to her. She the baddest. She everything for you, bro. Ass, breast. But every time she asks you to do something, you do it. Every time she texts you, you pick up, you answer back right away within 2 minutes. Every time she call you, you answer the phone. Every time she wants something, you buy it for her. You always taking her out on dates. You always treating her right. You a gentleman. You hold doors open. You drive her where she need to go. You take her back and forth to work. You pick her up. You do everything a man supposed to do by this woman. But then you look in her phone and you find out she cheating on you with a dude who ain't doing half of what you doing. With a dude who ain't got half of what you got. You find out, you look through the text exchange. You find out that she texts this dude 3 and 4 times in a row. He barely answer her. He answer her whenever he feel like it. She's still chasing his heels. And you don't understand. If I did everything right, why is she still chasing this guy? Scenario 2. You dating a girl that's a 7 to you. She just a 7. She might look good. She ain't got the ass you like. She might have a good personality, but she just ain't a 10 to you. So you treat her good, but most of the time it's meh. When she texts, if you focused on your purpose, you text her back a little bit later. Like sex, you ain't stunning it too hard, but when you want it, you go get it from her. And whenever she want something, you think about it. You might give it to her, you might not. Cause she is 7, bro. And this woman is head over heels in love with you, bro. She is in love with you. She'll run to the end of the earth. She'll ride or die for you, bro. That's ass backwards, Cahden. Why is that? Why is that a thing, bro? Why in scenario 1, when I do everything right, I get the shit end of the stick? In scenario 2, this woman is super faithful. She everything. Because she only focused on you. She only focused on chasing you. Why is that a thing, bro? You want to know why that's a thing? Because in scenario 1, you have not mastered the trait of not giving a fuck, bro. In scenario 2, you have. And it's because you're not as attracted to the woman in scenario 2. It's because you don't feel the same need for her validation, bro. You don't never want a woman to validate you. You want to be the person in all scenarios, bro, who feel like, I don't need to give a fuck. She gonna chase me. The ability to not give a fuck will help you in everything, bro. It'll help you in negotiations. It'll help you in life, basically. Somebody fire you from a job, you don't give a fuck. You a high value meal. You gonna go get a new one. Bad chick on that BS, you don't give a fuck. You can replace her, bro. And now she has to chase you because she knows you can replace her. She knows your SMV is high because you are a high value male. But now, you the type of dude that in your whole life you put 10s on a pedestal. You buy women flowers. You will take a woman back after she cheat on you, break up with you. You the type of dude who will take your ex out to dinner because you want a second chance. You the type of dude who don't hold women accountable for their actions because they'll never hold themselves accountable for their actions. That's just a red pill truth. They'll never hold themselves accountable for their actions, but you the type of dude who never hold them accountable. You the type of dude who apologize even when you don't think you wrong because you give a fuck, bro. And in these red pill streets, you can't give a fuck, bro. You gotta pull up not giving a fuck, bro. And that's just the reality of the situation. You have to. Cahden, how I fix it? How I fix this blue pill thinking? How do I not give a fuck, bro? Even though I feel these feelings inside, bro. Fake it till you make it. And at the end of the day, you have to understand. These women want to chase you. They want to chase your validation. It is how they built. They will always want to chase your validation, bro. Or they want to chase the next high-value male validation. And you have to understand that if you're not appearing your best, then she's not going to want to chase your validation. That's why you have to come across as your best. That's why you can't give a fuck about all the outside noise, bro. That's why when a 10 comes on to an alpha male, a red pill male, a man who doesn't have necessarily her best interest, but his own best interest in mind, she head over heels for that dude. She chasing him. She might allow him to do stuff to her that she won't allow any other blue pill simp dude to do to her at all. And that's for that very reason, bro. Like, dude, mastering the art of not giving a fuck is the difference between being a fucking rock star and being a, ooh, you smell different when you awake. Creepy ass nigga, bro. And it ain't no good end in sight when you out here caring about these females too much. That's by no means to say you shouldn't care about a woman you're in a relationship with. You just shouldn't care more, bro. He who cares more is weak. If you care more in a relationship, you are the weak one. You are in a weak position. She gonna dick you around. Do with you as she please. Because that's how she built. That's hypergamy. If you weaker than her, her interest fucking goes down. It plummets. You have to always be in a strong position, bro. Always. No exceptions. So the one trait you have to master before you can even ever become magnetic with women is the ability to not give a fuck and to be on your purpose and your path against all odds, bro. Point blank, period. You want neck every day? I like neck every day. Only way you get to the point where you got neck every day is getting to the point where you don't give a fuck whether you have neck every day or not. That's not your main priority. With that being said, it's Cahden, alphanerd. Make sure y'all smash that like button. Subscribe to this shit, bro. Smash that like button because it is imperative for these videos to reach a wider audience, bro. So that they can understand this red pill truth. That being said, Cahden, alphanerd, I'm out of this bitch.